YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Be So Fitted. I'm back and I'm better than ever. And today's video is going to be consisting of an unboxing interview and on-foot look at the Off-White Nike Air Jordan 5 collab in the Sail and Fire Red colorway. I am very excited, and I knew as soon as pictures surfaced from, I think back in February, of the shoes, I knew that I needed to have them. I wasn't too big of a fan of the black colorway that initially released, but once I saw the colorway of this, I already knew from the get-go that I needed these. Unfortunately, I did not hit retail on the sneakers app, so I ended up having to pay resale for it. So I just ended up trading two of my Royal Toes that I was sitting on to make it happen, and what do you know? We made it happen. But with that being said, let's give you guys an up-close look at the shoes, then follow it up with an on-foot look at the shoes, give you guys some outfit ideas, and then you guys will be, we'll be on our way. But yeah, let's get into that. All right, y'all, let's jump right into the up-close look at the Off-White Nike Air Jordan 5 in the Sail / Fire Red colorway. As you guys can see, you kind of have a standard Jordan 5 box. Not really. They kind of added something different. So they added these clear little cutout windows to show the inside of the box, show you guys what's up. And then we got this little air vent right here, and also it kind of helps you carry around your kicks. I don't know, that's just the way I see it. Right here you got the QR code to scan you right to the Nike website to ensure your shit's not fake. And then you got a personal size 12 Air Jordan 5 Retro special project, which is what SP is right there. And then the retail price of $225. My opinion, very understandable. It's kind of crazy how I'm okay with paying $225 retail, which I didn't even get to pay that. I paid a pretty penny. We're not gonna talk about that. Windows all around the box, as you guys can see. And then you got a black cement colorway on the bottom of the box right there. Jumpman, nothing crazy. Minus the fact that there's holes all around the box, damn it. This is so dope to me, man. As you guys can see, it's not your typical tissue. It's like this plasticky, translucent type tissues, type wrapping, whatever you want to call it. Completely clear. It says Off-White all around the paper right there, and it is plastic. And then you got a Jumpman at the end of the tissue. Very cool and awesome and dope. I don't know how else to explain it. It is just a nice little touch that they added to the shoes. Very nice and clean. But yeah, let's check out the shoes up close. We'll check out the left pair first. All around the shoe, again, this is the Fire Red colorway with the metallic tongue. It's not the black tongue, which is a nice touch. That way, when you take pictures with the flash on, it'll reflect right off the tongue and it'll flash nice and bright. But you got your standard Jordan 5 outsole with the Nike in the middle of the forefoot. And then you got a big ass Jumpman towards the front of the shoe and the toe. And then, oh, and right here you got a pre-yellowed outsole to give you guys kind of like this aged look. If you guys are familiar, normally Jordans come with like this very clean tinted blue translucent look, but they decided to pre-yellow the shoes because if you guys may or may not know, if you guys have a translucent outsole, it tends to yellow over time. Whether you keep them fresh or you wear it, it doesn't matter what you do, they tend to yellow. So this is gonna fast forward to that and avoids that issue, because how can it yellow when it's already yellowed? You know what I mean? And then you've got this plasticky type wrap all around the 5s itself. It is not made out of your typical leather as you see on Fire Red 5s or suede, as a matter of fact. But yeah, they decided to use this plasticky type wrap. I don't know how else to explain it, but yeah. The bright side is, guys, it looks a little funky at first, but I really like it. And they use this material on all of the Off-Whites. If you are not familiar with it, for the most part, they use it on most of the Off-Whites. I'm not gonna say all of them, but I do like this material because when you rock your kicks, guys, it does not crease. And when it does crease, it does not look that bad. On leather, it definitely looks more noticeable, but with this type of material, it is not that bad. So you got your 23 on the back of the shoe, and then you got your Nike Air on the back of the heel. And then you've got your exposed sponge all around the collar of the shoe itself. And even on the tongue, it's exposed sponge. And then on the back of the tongue, you got your upside down Air Jordan. Reason being is because people back then like to flip their tongues and show this part of the shoe. I'm not gonna do it, but So this part was kind of like folded in half, kind of like what they did with the Unions. And then as you guys can see on the box of the shoe, like I said, there's kind of like these cutout windows. Same deal with the shoes right here, except it is translucent. It is not actually cut out. Virgil was actually cutting holes in the shoes to kind of like expose the inside of it. When you wear socks, you can see it completely, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna leave the kicks alone. And then you've got your pre-yellowed zip tie as well to kind of match the bottom outsole. And then what else is different? Again, pre-yellowed little hints on the upper of the shoe. And then you've got your Helvetica print right here explaining what the shoe is. And then you've got your Jordan 5 window kind of cut off because of this little hole window right here. I don't know how else to explain it. But yeah, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. 1990 is when the Jordan 5 actually released initially. But yeah, very huge fan of the shoe, which is why I had to cop it. I didn't care if I was paying resale for them, but very, very solid shoe. And it came with 3 total laces, if you guys are familiar or not. It came with a black one, a red one, and again, on the shoe, pre-laced is this kind of off-white creamy lace. So very dope shoe, very clean, very happy with the buy. And these are going straight to feet. I'm not gonna even hesitate. I'm gonna give you guys this on-foot look at the shoe. Now, let me show you guys the inside of the shoe real quick, then we'll get into the on-foot look, and then we'll be on our way. Little detailing I may or may not have missed. You've got your classic shoelaces, quote unquote, on the lace of the shoe. Same deal goes for the extra laces that come with the 5s. And then you've got your standard Jordan 5 lace lock, which is pre-yellowed. And then you've got the Nike red lace lock on the inside of it, but you got Nike right there and then Nike on the inside. So very, very nice details. Again, it's a fire red colorway, so hence they had to throw a bunch of hints of red all along the shoe. You got Nike Air on the inside of the insert, and then you've got your QR code to scan you to the Nike website to ensure you're not buying any fakes. Very dope. And then let me take out this insert. Nothing crazy, nothing special. Standard insert, nothing special again. Nike Air, Jordan 5 insert, very basic. So with that being said, with that in mind, let's give you guys this on-foot look and then I'll wrap up the video. Let's check this out. All right, y'all, as far as the unboxing, review, and on-foot look goes at the Off-White Nike Air Jordan 5 collab in the sale and fire red colorway goes, that is pretty much all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I hope you found it helpful. Please drop me a huge thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'd be greatly appreciated. But yeah, many more videos coming to you guys soon. So I've been slacking and lagging, been a little caught up lately in life, but nevertheless, the show must go on and I need to do better. Thank you guys to any new subscribers. Welcome again to anyone new to the channel. It's your boy Be So Fitted signing off. Only way is up. Stay fitted for me. We out, baby. Let's get it.